See, I will now increase the complexity of this problem little more by putting one power to tan function. Now power rule should be applied, root function rule should also be applied. I will do this, watch it carefully. This is function of a function of a function of a function. Okay. Now differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to, now what is the pattern? Pattern means this problem resembles which of these formula? By looking, you can say which one?
X power n power.
Is it first of all x power or there is something?
Root function.
Root function. See, this power comes for function. Root is outside. So first preference to root, then to power. Supposing if it is like this, y is equal to root of tan cube e to the power of 5x whole to the power of 7. Now first preference to power rule, then to root function. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that is how the process should go on. Now dy by dx, because why I said first preference to root function means, see, root of tan cube e to the power of 5x root means it is nothing but to the power of half. So first we will do from this, isn't it? So this is, now looking to the answer, 1 by 2 root function into d by dx of function. So this should be 1 by 2 times of root of whatever the function given. The function is tan cube e to the power of 5x into d by dx of tan cube e to the power of 5x. Now this component is present as it is. So you also just write as it is. Nothing to do with that. I have just written as it is. 1 by 2 root tan cube e to the power of 5x. But this portion has to be differentiated. Now when you look at this gives the form tan cube x, where x is e power 5x. In place of x, you can take it as e power 5x. Now to differentiate tan cube x, now you will think that tan function is raised to the power 3. So first now you have to use power rule. So here in power rule, x to the power of n, the differential coefficient is nx to the power of n minus 1. So what is n here? 3. And what is x? X is that without the power. X is tan e to the power of 5x. So now we will use the power rule. N is 3 into x to the power of n minus 1, tan to the power of 3 minus 1 into e to the power of 5x into d by dx of x, into d by dx of tan e to the power of 5x. That is how we use for power rule. Is the differentiation over now? No, because this component tan e to the power of 5x is still under d by dx symbol. When this d by dx symbol goes completely, then you say the differentiation is done. So now this is dy by dx. This 3 I can take here only, 3 by 2 times of tan cube e to the power of 5x into tan squared. 3 minus 1 is 2, tan squared e to the power of 5x. Now I have to differentiate tan e to the power of 5x. If you differentiate tan x, you get secant square x. If you differentiate tan e to the power of 5x, you get secant square e to the power of 5x into d by dx of x, that is d by dx of 5x. Is the differentiation over now? No, because 5x has to be differentiated. Differential coefficient of 5x is 5 and d by dx of x is 1. So I will take that 5 into 3. 15 by 2 cube root of square root of tan cube e to the power of 5x into tan square e to the power of 5x into secant square e to the power of 5x. That's all.